Are you worried about the health of your kidneys? Are you finding it challenging to navigate dietary restrictions or manage your medications effectively? If these concerns resonate with you, then this video is here to offer support. Today in this video, we will explore 7 natural ways empowering you to lead a fulfilling life while effectively managing your kidney disease. So let's get started. Number 1. Stay hydrated. We all understand the importance of water for our bodies. It is crucial to consume a sufficient amount of water to support kidney function and eliminate toxins. However, have you ever considered keeping track of your daily water intake? It may seem simple, but it's essential to be mindful of how much water you drink each day. Try to get a minimum of 8 cups or 64 ounces of water daily, unless instructed otherwise by your healthcare professional. Number 2. Get enough sleep. Each one of us has a fixed duration of 24 hours in a day. Within this time frame, do you truly manage to obtain a minimum of 8 hours of sleep? Adequate sleep plays a vital role in maintaining overall health, including the proper functioning of your kidneys. While you sleep, your body undergoes crucial restorative processes, including detoxification. To prioritize your well-being, it is essential to ensure you consistently obtain 7 to 8 hours of high-quality sleep every night. Consider establishing a regular sleep routine, crafting an environment conducive to sleep, and giving importance to healthy sleep hygiene practices. Number 3. Reduce sodium intake. Indulging in delicious food is irresistible. However, it's unfortunate that many tasty dishes tend to be high in sodium content, which can burden the kidneys and cause water retention. Show yourself some self-love by reducing your intake of high-sodium foods like processed meats, canned soups, and fast food. Instead, opt for fresh, whole foods that are naturally flavorful. Enhance the taste of your meals by using herbs and spices as seasoning alternatives to salt and MSG. By making these mindful choices, you can take care of your well-being while still enjoying delicious flavors. Number 4. Increase fiber intake. Incorporating fiber-rich foods into your diet is crucial as they play a significant role in eliminating waste products and toxins from the body. To maintain kidney health, make sure to include a variety of fiber-rich foods in your daily meals. This can include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and seeds. By including these nutrient-packed foods, you can support proper digestion, waste removal, and reducing the strain on the kidneys. Try to aim for at least 25 to 30 grams of fiber each day to meet your body's needs. Number 5. Limit alcohol and caffeine. Beverages such as alcohol and caffeine are often regarded as enjoyable elixirs that can bring a sense of happiness to our bodies. However, it's important to note that these drinks can lead to dehydration and potentially burden the kidneys. To support the health of your kidneys, it is advisable to moderate your consumption of alcoholic beverages as well as caffeinated drinks like coffee, tea, and energy drinks. By making mindful choices and limiting your intake of these beverages, you can assist your kidneys in maintaining their proper functioning. Number 6. Regular physical activity. It is commonly understood that exercise plays a vital role in detoxifying our bodies by eliminating toxins. This makes it particularly important for kidney health. Regular exercise can effectively support overall kidney health by enhancing circulation and facilitating the detoxification process. Engaging in at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise on most days of the week can be beneficial. However, before initiating any new exercise regimen, it is prudent to consult with your healthcare provider. They can provide personalized guidance and ensure that the exercise routine aligns with your individual health needs and considerations. Number 7. Herbal teas. Specific herbs are thought to aid in kidney detoxification. Popular choices include dandelion root tea, nettle leaf tea, ginger tea, and others. These herbal teas can assist the kidneys by contributing to your daily fluid intake, promoting increased urine production, and potentially providing anti-inflammatory effects. Remember, it's important to note that while these suggestions can support kidney health and detoxification, they are not intended as a substitute for medical advice. If you have pre-existing kidney conditions or concerns, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant dietary or lifestyle changes. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. As always, take care of your health and prioritize your well-being. See you in the next video.